Authority of the management of the county is within the county executive committee. It goes on to define who the county executive committee is. It says is the governor, the deputy governor, and all the CECs. Now, the vested authority. That means every single decision, whether it is legislative, going to the county assembly, or even whether it is administrative, must be discussed in what you can call, in a layman's term, by a cabinet. What has been happening in Kiambu has been a one-man show. It has been a one-man show. There has not been any consultation between the governor and the county executive members, and particularly the deputy governor. So you have a person who calls individual county executive members, asking them to do this and do that and do this. So what has happened? All the controversial issues that we are having today, including the so-called alcoholic bill, the implementation of it, I want to be told what cabinet memo was done in order to make that to be implemented. The whole issue about amalgamation of water companies, I want to know, because the County Government Act is also very clear. Section 30, subsection 2G, on public participation. It is very, very clear. So why are we having water companies and water sale of your projects pulling out and saying and going to court? Because we have decided to have a one-man show. So all these things that we are saying, Del Monte is a very easy issue. All you need to do is to sit with the cabinet, come up with a decision and say, economically, has Del Monte been economically helpful to Kiambu or not? Imesaidia Kiambu au haijasaidia? That is the problem we are having in Kiambu. And I have to say it very categorically. It is not that I have not consulted. I have consulted almost all offices, top offices in this country. But we cannot continue under this circumstance. Let me tell you, the issue of the dam site in Nashu was the straw that broke the camel's back.